He rangi whakahirahira mō tā Jerry Mateparae, rāua ko kaurangi Tureiti Moxon. Ko te rā ka whakawhiwhia, te tohu tāku te tanga whakahōnoretanga.
So you never ever do these things to get the honour, but when it comes, it takes a while to sink in. And so it's really only sinking in now, when you sort of remember, firstly, my own graduation, and now this opportunity.
Well, I feel very honoured that the university has bestowed this upon me, and I feel very humbled by the fact that they thought that the work I was doing was actually making a difference in our society.
Koe e tētahi o ngā alumni mai Te Whare Wānanga o Waikato. He maha o na pukenga me ki te whare o tūmatauenga te mea nui, Lady Tureiti Moxon. Maha hoki o na pukenga I roto I te whānau ora, te hauora, ko tōna mahi hei arahi I te kōhao health.
The University of Waikato is pleased to confer the degree of Honorary Doctorate on Lieutenant General the Right Honourable Sir Jeremiah Mateparae in recognition of his service and dedication to his country.
Well, the Army probably found me. A friend of mine were driving down the road and I said, why don't you go there? We went in and I just saw what was available to young people, to travel, have a purpose.
Of her outstanding contributions to the health and well-being of New Zealanders and her commitment to Māori self-determination, the University of Waikato is pleased to confer the degree of Honorary Doctor on Lady Tureiti Moxon.
Well, funnily enough, it chose me because I had cancer when I was very young, but also my parents died very young. And so, I want us to be living the kind of lives that we should be living. And unfortunately for us, a lot of us die far too young, far too prematurely.
Ko te honorary doctorate, ko tērā te tohu nui mai Te Whare Wānanga. Ko rāua o rāua pukenga, o rāua mahi mō ngai tātai te iwi Māori, nā reira me whakanui, me whakahonore I a rāua me o rāua pukenga, me whakātu ki ngā reanga kei te hara mai, anei mātanga me ki, mai tēnei reanga, whakātu ki a rātou ngā rangatahi, ko rātou ngā rangatira mo a popo, o mona anei.
Ko tēnei hoki te rā mō te pōtaitanga o te kotahi mano kaiwhiwhi I Te Whare Wānanga o Waikato.
Never venture, never win. So if you don't try things, you'll never ever know whether what you did was what you needed to do. You don't want to look back and think, I wish I had have done. So that for me has been it. So it's always about a challenge, doing different things. Who knows where you're going to end up?
Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. But the thing for us is we've all got a big job to do. We aren't there yet, and we need to have everyone on board in the same waka, rowing in the same direction. Kia koutou, ngā tauira. Ko tai ki te taumata, I tēnei rā, I raro I te maru o te hauara, kā nui te mihi atu kia koutou.
It is important that we understand where we come from so we know where we stand today. And more importantly, where we will stand tomorrow. If you get an opportunity to lead, take the opportunity. Because leading is really a competition with yourself, how you can be a better person for the people that you're with. Live the life that you want to live, not the life that others want you to live.
My direct message is we've got a big job to do, so let's get on and do it.
Herewini Waikato, Aukaha.